Good morning, children. Welcome back. Let's begin with a beautiful quote by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. If you want to shine like a sun, first burn like a sun. Means there are many problems in the path of success. To succeed, we have to go through many obstacles. Children, in the previous video, we have discussed about interrelationships between plants and animals. Let's continue with the remaining part. Children, here is an interesting story for you all. You can see a white colored bird riding on the back of a buffalo. Children, an egret is a bird that feeds on different kinds of insects. We know that grass is full of all kinds of insects, but because these insects are hidden in the grass, the egret cannot see them and catch them. As the buffalo treads on the grass, the insects fly out of grass. And egret, riding on the back of a buffalo, can easily catch them. So, isn't it interesting? Yes. Before moving to the next topic, let's find out answers to some questions. What is the Marathi name for mango blossoms? When do mango trees blossom every year? Children, you all have heard about this word, that is mohar. So mohar is the Marathi name for mango blossoms. Normally the mango tree blossoms around the end of the February month and the beginning of March. Does the banyan tree have leaves throughout the year? All the leaves of the banyan tree never fall off together. Some leaves may fall, but the tree never becomes leafless. Next one, we see frogs everywhere during the rains. Where do they disappear in summer? Frogs cannot tolerate the heat of summer. They hide in some safe and moist places. Therefore, they are not seen in summer. In the rains, when there is water around, they came out of their hiding places. When there is severe winter, they once again go to their hiding places, which is the season for jamuns. The beginning of May and June is the season for jamuns. Let us discuss seasonal changes in living things. Children, we have three main seasons: summer, winter, and the rainy season. It is very hot in summer. We wear cotton clothes and drink plenty of water. In winter, we wear woolens and other warm clothes to protect ourselves from the cold. In the rainy season, we use umbrellas or different kinds of raincoats and hoods to avoid getting wet in the rain. Children, just as the three seasons affect us, they affect all other living things too. We see these changes taking place in the living world every year. Let us discuss seasonal changes in winter first. Winter in Maharashtra is also called the season of Pangar, that is, falling of leaves. That is because many trees shed their leaves in winter. The coats of many furry animals become thicker in winter. This keeps them warm in the cold season. Such growth of hair is especially noticeable in animals like sheep and some types of goats and rabbits. The end of winter is also the time for mango trees to start blossoming. These blossoms are called mohar in Marathi. By March, we begin to feel the heat and it's time for summer. Let us see seasonal changes in summer. In this season, many trees get new leaves. Forests appear to have taken on a copper color because these leaves are reddish and shiny while they are tender. Their color changes to green as the leaves grow bigger. The call of the koel is heard in many places. In summer, the market is full of mangoes and watermelons for us to buy. This is the season for these fruits. Although mango trees grow all over Maharashtra, the Konkan region is particularly famous for its mangoes. It is also the season for cashew nuts. Let us see seasonal changes in the rainy season. In June, black clouds make their appearance. We begin to get jackfruits, jamuns, and karvandas. The seeds of grass and other plants lie scattered all over the ground. They sprout and start growing as soon as it begins to rain. It becomes green everywhere. Sometimes we can even see the rainbow with its 7 colors in the sky. As it becomes wet everywhere, frogs appear. We also hear the loud noise of frogs croaking all together. For us, the rainy season is the season for crops to grow in fields. Farmers work hard in the fields. As the rainy season ends, it is time for winter to make a comeback. It gets colder and colder. This is not good for the frogs. They go deep under the ground for a long period of slumber, means sleep, which lasts for 7 or 8 months. Children, we have finished with the lesson here. Let's revise what we have studied. The needs of all living things are met in the environment. There are differences in the needs of different living things. Some arboreal animals like monkeys and squirrels live in trees and feed on them. Their droppings help trees to grow in new places. Some birds build their nest in trees. Each type of living thing thrives where all its needs are fulfilled. For example, tigers live in grasslands and aquatic plants grow in water. Changes in seasons affect living things. In winter, trees shed leaves and animals' coats grow thicker. At the start of summer, trees get new leaves. In the rainy season, it becomes green all around. Frogs appear and crops grow in field. Children, you have to read the lesson thoroughly. In the next video, we will solve the exercise of the lesson. Till then, happy learning!